I think I said this for the first question in this section, is when we have graphs in the SAT, we just really need to follow instructions and just take it a little slower and just make sure that we don't lose any points unnecessarily. These are pretty simple. They're not really trying to, do complicated math with most graphs. So what do they say? The number of portable media players sold in 2008 is what fraction of the total of the number sold in 2011. So let's first of all just find those points, right? So 2008 is here, 2011 is here, so that's 160, and this is 100. So there's a couple of ways to think about it. I mean, the simplest way is just to say 100 over 160, right? The year 2008 over the year 2011, and then reduce that. So we can just go right to the calculator here. 100 divided by 160 is 0.625, which you can totally bubble. That's fine. Since they want it as a fraction, you might, just reduce that to 5/8. Both are the same. They're both okay. But yeah, people do get this wrong. I would say that I think it's because you're a little nervous. You think there's some trick here. It's still supposed to be easy. We're at the beginning of this chunk of questions, these grid-ins. So it's supposed to be on the easier side. It's really about just picking the right years. Maybe that's where people go wrong, is they pick the wrong years. Yeah, I'm not really sure. But trust yourself. Just show your work. Write down all this stuff that I wrote down so that way, you're not entirely relying on the calculator, because you might enter something wrong. And if you write it down, you're more likely to notice that you entered something wrong and fix it.